Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you are doing great. And if today is the first time you are stopping here, my name is Angela Oli. You are highly welcome. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I normally cook my breadfruit and cassava flakes, that is Ukwa and Abacha. And if you are from Igbo parts of Nigeria and you haven't tried this recipe, just give it a try. It's so delicious and you are going to love it. Okay dear, welcome back. Here the first thing I'm going to do, I will soak potash with water and leave it for 1 hour because I will be cooking the okwa with potash water. Without that potash water, the okwa could not cook well except if you are using pressure pot. But I'm not using pressure pot. I'm going to cook in a traditional way. So, and here is the outcome of my potash water. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to soak the cassava flakes, that is abacha, with warm water. Then and take it out from the water immediately. Okay, dear, over here I have washed and cleaned the breadfruit, that is the okwa. So I'm going to pour it in a separate pot. Add a little amount of water, not too much, because I'm still going to add potash water. Then I will set it on my cooker and allow it to boil for 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm back again after 5 minutes. I'm going to add ngo. Then after that, I'm going to cover it and allow it to be cooking. I'm back after some minutes to check whether the breadfruit is still hard. I will just take a little from the pot, smash it with my hand to know if whether it's still hard, but you can see that it's soft. So the okwa is ready now. I'm going to set it aside. Then on a separate pot, I'm going to pour the cassava flakes, that is abacha, and add some quantity of breadfruit into it. Mix them together. Just sit back and be watching what I'm doing. And all the ingredients that I will be using, I'm going to leave their names in the description box. Just check them out. And if you have not tried this recipe, try it. You are going to love it. It is so delicious. And please don't forget to add your thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Thank you for watching and see you guys on my next video. Keep watching till the end so that you can see the outcome of this delicious meal. Bye.